राइट नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन लिख लीजिए आप। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन लिखिए 0.15 मोल्स 0.15 मोल्स ऑफ CO 0.15 moles of CO gas is taken in a flask is taken in a 5 liter flask is taken in a 5 liter flask and is maintained at 600 Kelvin along with a catalyst so that following reaction takes place आपको रिएक्शन दिया हुआ है CO, it is gas phase reaction CO gas plus 2H2 gas giving CH3OH in the gas phase. CO plus 2H2 gives CH3OH in the gas phase. आगे लिखिए हाइड्रोजन is introduced, H2 is introduced until the total pressure of the mixture is 5.91 atmosphere. Until total pressure become 5.91 atmosphere and atmosphere at equilibrium and 0.1 mole of CH3OH is formed full stop. Calculate first part दिया है Kc and Kp, that is first part. Calculate Kc and Kp. Second part the final pressure. Second part दिया था final pressure. If the same amount of CO and hydrogen, CO and H2 are taken as before but no catalyst so that reaction does not take place. I'm repeating the last sentence. Final pressure of the mixture if same amount of CO and H2 are taken as before but no catalyst so that reaction does not take place. Okay, so this question 2 parts. Think on and solve both the parts. Okay, now to solve this question, let us take CO given is 0.15 moles. Let's say initial moles. CO taken 0.15, H2 दिया नहीं है. Let's say A moles. No CH3OH. So what is the moles at equilibrium? 0.15 minus X, A minus 2X. 1 mole consume 2 moles, X mole consume 2X moles. और कितना देगा CH3OH? देखिए 1 mole give 1 mole, X mole give X moles. देखो ना 1 mole give 1 mole consume 2 moles, X mole consume 2X moles of hydrogen and they give 1 mole of CH3OH. Okay, so it's X mole. अब X कितना आपको दिया क्वेश्चन में? 0.1 मोल यहाँ दिया है क्वेश्चन में. आपको दिया है 0.1 मोल ऑफ CH3OH is formed at equilibrium. इतना आपको दिया है क्वेश्चन में इंफॉर्मेशन. अब इसको सॉल्व करेंगे कैसे? हमारे पास एक इंफॉर्मेशन मिल गया, तो ये कितना आपका रहेगा? 0.15 माइनस 0.1 0.05. ये कितना पड़ेगा? A माइनस 2 into 0.1 is 0.2. What is total number of moles? We can find from here 0.05 plus A minus 0.2 plus 0.1. So on solving this, total moles will be how much? A minus 0.05. देखो ना इसमें 0.1 रहेगा माइनस में, तो ये आपका माइनस रहेगा 0.05। इट इज टोटल मोल्स ऑफ मिक्सचर एट इक्विलिब्रियम। इससे हम क्या निकाल सकते हैं, आपको दिया टोटल प्रेशर, तो हम इसे निकाल पाएंगे ए का वैल्यू। देखिए, टू सॉल्व दिस पार्ट हियर फर्दर, व्हाट इज टोटल मोल्स पीवी अपॉन आरटी यूजिंग गैस इक्वेशन। आपको दिया प्रेशर ऑफ सिस्टम 5.91 एटमॉस्फेयर, फ्लास्क है वॉल्यूम 5 लीटर्स गिवन टू यू, R.0821 टेम्परेचर इन केल्विन स्केल, कितना टेम्परेचर है 600 केल्विन टेम्परेचर। यहां से हम क्या निकाल पाएंगे, टोटल नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ द गैस। वो कितना है टोटल मोल्स, हम लिख चुके हैं A माइनस 0.05, सॉरी अब सिंपली आपको A n टोटल आपको दिया है, तो आफ्टर कैलकुलेशन ऑफ n टोटल इट इज सेम एज A minus 0.05. We can find the value of A. We can find the value of A. Once A is known to us, अब यहां पर दिया है फ्लास्क का वॉल्यूम दिया है, so we can find Kp Kc now both easily. We can find first Kc. देखिए दोनों तरीके हैं, Kp के लिए क्या होता है, आपको मोल्स चाहिए सारे हैं, तो मोल्स कितना आपका मिल गया सारा, टोटल मोल्स नॉन टू यू, so Kp you can find first और Kc you can find first. आपको मोल्स दिया है, वॉल्यूम दिया है, तो व्हाट इज Kc फॉर द रिएक्शन, कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ CH3OH by concentration of CO into हाइड्रोजन स्क्वायर। आपको मोल्स पता है, बाय वॉल्यूम कैन गिव कंसंट्रेशन, तो कितना आएगा इसमें CH3OH 0.1 by 5, CO 0.05 by 5, हाइड्रोजन A minus 0.05 by 5 का स्क्वायर। A आपको यहाँ पता होगा, once A is known to us, Kc is known to us, तो after Kc what is Kp, Kc into RT power delta Ng, for the reaction what is delta Ng, कितना है डेल्टा Ng की वैल्यू इस रिएक्शन में, 1 minus 3, तो -2. For the reaction delta Ng become how much, -2. We can put here delta Ng -2. After putting delta Ng in the equation -2, R 0.0821 टेम्परेचर इन केल्विन स्केल, Kc यहाँ निकाल लिया है, और moles by total moles into total pressure will help to find the partial pressure. After knowing for each gas partial pressure, we can find our answers. Okay, so on solving this entire part, your answers coming here, Kc is coming or should come, आप चेक कर लीजिए निकाल के, Kc आपका आंसर आना चाहिए 246.9, Kp of the reaction should come 0.102, one answer. For second part what is final pressure, देखिए अब आते हैं सेकंड पार्ट क्वेश्चन में, if reaction does not take place, if reaction will not take place, then what is total number of moles without reaction, total moles कितना होगा, A plus 0.15. If no reaction take place without catalyst, total moles will be how much, A plus 0.15. तो once A plus 0.15, then what is total pressure in second part और part bit second part, तो कितना है total moles A plus 0.5 N RT, R कितना आपका है 0.0821, टेम्परेचर इन केल्विन स्केल 600 by volume nRT by V 5 liters. On solving from here, you get a pressure final in this case is coming 7.87 atmosphere. So second answer is coming in this question will be your 7.872 atmosphere. अगर रिएक्शन नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा, टोटल मोल्स कितना होंगे इसके, अगर रिएक्शन नहीं है तो कितना होगा, द टोटल नंबर ऑफ मोल्स of the gas will be how much? A plus 0.15. हमें निकालने का फाइनल प्रेशर if reaction will not take place, तो nRT by V. Using ideal gas equation, we can find total pressure of the mixture if reaction does not take place should be coming this much, 7.872 atmosphere. So I hope it is clear this question. Okay, so write next question. Write down. देखिए 8 into 10 to power minus 3 moles of A, 8 into 10 to power minus 3 moles of A, of an ideal gas A, moles of an ideal gas A, moles of an ideal gas A is filled in a vessel, is filled in a vessel of volume 500 cc, is filled in a vessel of volume 500 cc at 27 degrees Celsius, at 27 degrees Celsius, full stop. The temperature is then raised, the temperature is then raised to 600 degrees Celsius when A comes to equilibrium. When A comes to equilibrium, according to equation, A gas give B gas and C gas. A gas give B gas plus C gas comes to equilibrium. आपको रिएक्शन दिया है with a value of Kp given, with value of Kp given 2.8 atmosphere, with value of Kp given 2.8 atmosphere. Full stop. Calculate partial pressure of A and C. Calculate partial pressure of A and B. A and B at 600 degrees Celsius and total pressure at equilibrium, and total pressure at equilibrium, and total pressure at equilibrium. Okay, so think on this question slightly more and then solve this question. You try this question yourself first. हो गया? तो लेट अस कम ऑन सॉल्यूशन पार्ट. देखिए यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन क्या दिया है. इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने से पहले क्वेश्चन को पढ़िए एक बार ध्यान से. फिर से क्या लिखा है? 8 into 10 to power minus 3 moles of A, ideal gas A, is taken in a flask of volume 500 cc at temperature 27 degrees Celsius. Then we raise temperature to 600 degrees Celsius when A dissociate to give B and C moles. So in this case pressure आपको Kp दिया है 2.8 atmosphere, आपको दिया Kp दिया है 2.8 atmosphere. पार्शियल प्रेशर को निकालना है A और B का, and for gas and for the mixture आपको निकालना है टोटल प्रेशर, and find total pressure of the gas mixture. आपको इतना ही क्वेश्चन में करना है. तो आपको मोल्स दिया स्टार्टिंग में कितना? 8 into 10 to power minus 3 moles. So let us take what is the moles. इनिशियल मोल आपको दिया है 8 into 10 to power minus 3 moles. What is moles at equilibrium? 8 into 10 to power minus 3 minus x are the moles at equilibrium. Now only Kp is given to us. For the reaction Kp is given to us. From Kp value हम क्या निकाल सकते हैं इसमें? Kcm निकाल सकते हैं. Because आपको moles दिया है, volume दिया है फ्लास्क का, but mixture have how much pressure is not given to us. For mixture we have how much pressure not given to us. दो अप्रोच है क्वेश्चन करने के लिए. या तो आप Kp के एक्सप्रेशन में हम Pt को निकालते हैं, Pt मानते हैं अननोन होगा. Pt आपको जो है Kp पता है पहले आपको. From Kp expression we can try to find one expression of total pressure. in terms of x, and then only x is variable, we can find the value of x and then we can do the remaining parts. या एक तरीका और होता है, kp पता है, kc निकाल लीजिए. For the reaction delta G 1 है. Once kc is known to us, then you can do the question easily. देखिए इसको हम पहले करते हैं. अगर हम मानते हैं कंसंट्रेशन कितना होगा हर एक का एट इक्विलिब्रियम, मोल्स बाय वॉल्यूम 0.5 0.5 0.5. वॉल्यूम दिया ना सिस्टम का 500, द वॉल्यूम ऑफ फ्लास्क इज गिवन 500 cc मींस कितना लीटर, 0.5 लीटर. द मोल्स बाय वॉल्यूम बिकम कंसंट्रेशन. सो फॉर द रिएक्शन Kc विल बी हाउ मच. देखिए पहले निकालते हैं Kp एक्सप्रेशन से. Kp कितना दिया आपका, Kc into RT power delta Ng. For the reaction, what is delta Ng? 1. So what is Kc? Will be equal to Kp upon RT. Kp upon RT. Kp कितना दिया, 2.8, RT 0.0821, टेम्परेचर इन केल्विन स्केल 873. So Kc is known to us. Once Kc is known to us, so what is Kc expression? Concentration of B or C, x by 0.5 into x by 0.5 divided by 8 into 10 to power minus 3 minus x by 5, 0.5 liters. In the Kc expression given here, what is unknown to us? Kc is known to us. Remember, see here, we know the value of Kc. आपका x unknown है, आपके लिए x unknown है, तो यहाँ से हम क्या निकाल लेंगे, x का वैल्यू. Kc is known, so x we can find out. Once x is known to us, then we know moles of each gas. Then we know the moles of each gas. Then we can find what in this case. Partial pressure of A कितना आएगा, moles of A, correct, Ma, sorry, आप moles निकाल पाएंगे. A का कितना दिया है, 8 into 10 to power minus 3 minus x, N RT by V. V दिया फ्लास्क का वॉल्यूम 0.5 लीटर, R 0.0821, टेम्परेचर 873 केल्विन. It is for A partial pressure. Then what is partial pressure of B? Moles of B, x RT upon V. आपको V दिया है 0.5 लीटर. वॉल्यूम पता है 0.5 लीटर. So what is known to us from here? For gas B, we can know partial pressure. And what is total pressure here? Either we can add PA plus PB plus PC. P और PC आपको सेम होंगे, तो PA plus 2PB. For solving this question, it is one approach. It is one approach. कि हमने पहले क्या किया, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स x हमने मान लिया, डिसोसिएट करेंगे यहाँ पर, ठीक है. तो क्या होगा, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स बाय वॉल्यूम बिकम कंसंट्रेशन. तो फाइंड Kc फर्स्ट. Kp पता है, Kc निकाल रहे हैं यहाँ से. Kc इतना है Kp by RT. Once Kc is known to us, we can find the value of x. X क्या है, moles of gas A which are dissociating. तो कितने मोल्स, सबके मोल्स निकल जाएंगे. फिर हमें क्या निकालना है, फॉर गैस A and B पार्शियल प्रेशर कितना होगा, मोल्स ऑफ गैस A at equilibrium RT by V, using gas equation nRT by V, nRT by V for gas B also. Gas B and C have same number of moles, so they also have same partial pressure. So adding all the pressures, partial pressure, we can get the mixture total pressure. We can find for the gas mixture total pressure at equilibrium. आपको यहाँ से निकल जाएगा. समझ में आया कि नहीं वाला पॉइंट? चलिए, ये हमारा क्वेश्चन का एक अप्रोच हुआ. Let us do the question by one more approach. So on solving this question by one more approach, हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? What is total moles at equilibrium? सर ऐड कर लीजिए इतना 8 इंटू 10⁻³ माइनस एक्स प्लस एक्स प्लस एक्स मीन्स प्लस एक्स हो जाएगा आपका टोटल मोल्स। सो केपी क्या हमारे पास होता है, केपी आपको दिया है क्वेश्चन में, व्हाट इज केपी, पार्शियल प्रेशर ऑफ बी सी बी इंटू सी बाई ए। तो फॉर गैस बी व्हाट इज पार्शियल प्रेशर एक्स बाई टोटल मोल्स, एनटी एम राइटिंग हियर सेम है, स्क्वायर कर दीजिए बाई फॉर ए मोल्स बाई टोटल मोल्स, सॉरी इनटू का नाम है पीटी, पीटी मोल्स बाई टोटल मोल्स बिकम मोल फ्रैक्शन इनटू पीटी फॉर गैस ए। आपको इसमें अननोन क्या है, खाली केपी दिया है 2.8 एटमॉस्फेयर, पीटी अननोन है, यू कैन पुट द पीटी इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्स, एनटी पता है आपको इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्स ओनली, व्हाट इज पीटी टोटल मोल्स एनटी आरटी बाई वी, एनटी कितना आपका इतना है, आरटी बाई वी आर 0.0821, टेम्परेचर इन कैलोरी स्केल एंड वॉल्यूम टेकन इज 0.5 liters, वॉल्यूम इज 0.5 liters, पुटिंग ऑल द वैल्यूज हियर, यहाँ भी x आपका अननोन है, वेरिएबल होगा, you can see the x variability here and then answer you can find out. Once x is known to us, once x is known to us, we can find for each gas partial pressure. ऐसे निकाल सकते हैं डायरेक्टली, टोटल मोल्स पता होगा, मोल फ्रैक्शन पीटी हम निकाल चुके होंगे, then you can get the answers. Okay, so write next question, write down, लिखिए a saturated solution of iodine in water contains 0.33 gram, contains 0.33 gram of iodine per liter, of iodine I2 per liter, full stop. More than this can be dissolved, more than this can be dissolved in a Ki solution, in a Ki potassium iodide, in a potassium iodide solution because of following equilibrium, because of following equation. आपको इक्वेशन दिया है I2 plus I negative ions give I3 minus because of following equation. ओके, आगे लिखिए a 0.1 मोलर Ki solution actually dissolves, 0.1 molar Ki solution actually dissolves 12.5 gram of iodine per liter, 12.5 gram of iodine per liter, dissolves 12.5 gram of iodine per liter, full most of which dissolve per liter, 12.5 gram of iodine per liter, most of which is converted to I3 negative ions, most of which is converted to I3 negative ions, full stop. Assuming that concentration of iodine I2, assuming that concentration of I2 in all saturated solution, in all saturated solution is same, calculate Kc for this reaction, calculate Kc for the reaction, full stop. What is the effect of What is the effect of addition of water? What is the effect of addition of water in a clear saturated solution of iodine in Ki solution? Of iodine in Ki solution. Okay, so solve this question after reading carefully. Okay, try this question yourself. Now let us come on solution part. To solve this question, see, आपको दिया है solution of iodine is how much? 0.33 gram per liter is the solubility of iodine we can take here. Because more than this can dissolve because of this reaction. So if it is taken, solution of Ki is taken 0.1 molar, it is how much? 12.5 gram. For iodine, what is molar mass? Iodine has atomic mass 127. So 2 iodine means 254 minus X. It consumes X moles per liter. Give how much? I3 minus X moles per liter. आपको दिया है concentration moles per liter, आपको दिया था ग्राम पर लीटर, we have made moles per liter. ग्राम पर लीटर, इसका मोल पर लीटर था, ये तो सही है. यहाँ पे था ग्राम पर लीटर, so we change to moles per liter. X moles per liter change to I3. 1 mole consume 1 mole, तो X moles per liter consume I negative ion, X moles per liter, and they give I3 negative ions, X moles per liter. लिखा पूरा क्वेश्चन. अब देखिए इसमें क्या आगे लिखा क्वेश्चन बोल रहा है. आगे पार्ट में X moles consuming X moles and give I3 X moles per liter. Now in solving this question we have to find I2 values given. लिखा है all solutions of iodine which are saturated, they contain same concentration of iodine. How much? 0.33 gram of iodine per liter means 0.33 by molar weight 254. It is iodine remaining after this reaction. From here we can find the value of X. From here we can find the value of X. तो X कितना आएगा आपको सॉल्व करने पर? The value of X on solving will be coming 12.5 by 254 minus 0.33 by 254, meaning X means almost all iodine is changing to I3 minus ions. तो कितना आपका सॉल्व आएगा? 12 कितना आएगा? 17 by 254. It is X moles per liter. So X is known to us. So we know concentration of I negative ions, I3 minus and I2. I2 को कितना रहेगा moles per liter में. So for the reaction Kc कितना आएगा? X upon this value given here. Let's say this writing here Y. It is known to you. X upon Y into 0.1 minus X. On solving this part, for the reaction Kc value you can find out. Value of Kc is on solving coming nearly 707. Your one answer. 0.1 minus X into Y. आपको Y पता है इतना है. X आपका निकल जाएगा. Putting all the values for the reaction we can find the Kc value. It is one answer. To solve second part of question, second answer of the question, अब देखिए पूछा है if the water is added, on adding water total volume increases in solution. So for the reaction what is QC? अब देखिए moles X upon volume, आपका जो लिखेंगे Y upon volume into 1.1 minus X by volume. तो कितना पड़ेगा? 1 volume cancel out, volume into X divided by Y into 0.1 minus X. On adding water total volume increases. On adding water total volume increases. So volume increase means Q become more. for QC become more than Kc. When QC is more than Kc, the reaction goes in the reverse direction. आप देखो ना, आपका मोल्स पर लीटर कंसंट्रेशन था बाय वॉल्यूम, मोल्स पर लीटर बाय वॉल्यूम, मोल्स पर लीटर बाय वॉल्यूम, वॉल्यूम आपका बढ़ रहा है सॉल्यूशन का ऑन एडिंग वाटर डाइल्यूशन. सो दिस एक्सप्रेशन कैन राइट इन दिस फॉर्म हियर. Volume increasing means QC become more than Kc, and when QC is more than Kc, the reaction move in the backward direction. The reaction move in the backward direction. I hope it is clear. So write next question. Next question आप लिखिए. Okay, following equilibria are established. Write down. Following equilibria are established. Equilibria are established on mixing two gases. On mixing two gases A2 and C. A2 and C. आपको रिएक्शन दिया है, फर्स्ट रिएक्शन दिया है 3A2 गैस गिव A6 गैस. पहला रिएक्शन. फॉर फर्स्ट रिएक्शन वैल्यू ऑफ Kp is given to you 1.6 atmosphere inverse -2 डेल्टा जब -2 है. अगला पार्ट है सेकंड रिएक्शन दिया है A2 गैस प्लस C गैस गिव A2C गैस. A2 plus C gas give A2C gas. आगे लिखिए. If A2 and C are mixed, if A2 and C are mixed, A2 and C are mixed in 2:1 mole ratio, are mixed in 2:1 mole ratio. 2:1 mole ratio. Calculate equilibrium partial pressure. Calculate equilibrium partial pressure of A2. Equilibrium partial pressure of A2, comma A2 comma C and A2C. A2 comma C and A2C. A2, C and A2C, and Kp for the second reaction, and Kp for the second reaction, and Kp for the second reaction. Given आपको क्या है, आपको दिया क्वेश्चन है, given total pressure is given 1.4 atmosphere at equilibrium. Total pressure is 1.4 atm at equilibrium and P of A6, and for A6 gas given partial pressure is 0.2 atmosphere. आपको निकालना क्या है? कैलकुलेट इक्विलिब्रियम पार्शियल प्रेशर ऑफ A2, C and A2C gases and Kp for the second reaction. For the second reaction Kp given in the information further आपको दिया PT 1.4 atmosphere and for A6 gas you are given the partial pressure of 0.2 atmosphere. So this can be a question of simultaneous equilibria. We have two or more equilibria having some common components. Read the question carefully and solve this question yourself. Now to solve this question can solve in several 2-3 parts. देखिए पहला पार्ट क्या है? For first reaction Kp is given to you. तो for first reaction at equilibrium what is Kp? If it is P of A6 divided by P of A2 का cube. You are given the question Kp value 1.6. What is P of A6? In the question given 0.2 atmosphere. So what is P of A2 का cube. From here what is P of A2? 0.2 by 1.6, that is 1.8. 1.8 का means 0.5 atmosphere. 1.8 का भी कितना आएगा 1/2. So we get one answer for A2 gas. Partial pressure will be how much? 0.5 atmosphere. Now for same gas, when it is coming in, pressure is coming 0.5 atmosphere. In second equation also for A2 gas, we will have same partial pressure 0.5 atmosphere. And they are given total pressure. ये आपको दिया है A2 का, A6 को दिया 0.2 atmosphere. Now what is remaining for gas C and gas A2C required is partial pressure. So further we can take in the equation. A2 is consumed in only this reaction, second reaction. So we can write expression for total pressure कितना आएगा? P of A2 plus P of A6 plus P of C plus P of A2C. ये दिया आपको 1.4 एटमॉस्फेयर इज इक्वल टू P of A2 कितना दिया है क्वेश्चन में 0.5 हमने निकाल लिया. What is P of A6 given 0.2 एटमॉस्फेयर. P of C and P of A2C आपको निकालना है. A2C. Okay. So if it is taken here, what is P of C plus P of A2C combined is given कितना दिया है 0.7 is 0.7 atmosphere. It is one equation. We can write one equation more, that P of C plus P of A2 is given 0.7 atmosphere. Now if we solve this question by taking data, initially we are mixing the gas A2 and C in the mole ratio 2:1. That means if I write from beginning for two expressions separately, 3A2 give A6, A2 plus C, all its gas phase, A2 plus C is A2C. Initially we have taken the gases A2 and C in the mole ratio 2:1. That means initially for the gases ratio of partial pressure is 2:1. So if the gas A2 is taken at the pressure, suppose C is taken at the pressure P, so for A2 we will have how much pressure? 2P. It is 2P. Out of this 2P value, let's say P1 decomposed to form A6, so P1 by 3 moles with 1 mole. A2 will be taken minus P1 here also, and now P2 is decreasing pressure only for formation of A2C, so minus P2 will be how much? P2 it is taken minus P2. Common reactant in all the equations will have same concentration or partial pressure. एक बार और देख लीजिए, फिर से देख लीजिए. यहाँ पे क्या दिया क्वेश्चन स्टार्टिंग में, we take A2 and C in the mole ratio 2:1. That means initially for gas A and C and A2, they have ratio of pressure doubled, 1:2, 2:1 initial pressure. Now A2 is consumed in two reactions. Let's say P1 part consumed to form A6 and P2 part consumed to form A2C. P2 will consume to form A2C only, but common equation A2 in both reactions will have common or same partial pressure. 2P minus P1 minus P2, 2P minus P1 minus P2, it is P1 P minus P2, it is P2. Now adding all the pressure, we are given in the equation this information, that P of C plus P of A2, sorry, P of A2C, P of C plus P of A2C कितना पर था 0.7. ये कितना है P minus P2 plus P2, that is only P. So this P you can find from here. This P is how much? 0.7 atmosphere. This is P only. So at P is equal to how much? 0.7 atmosphere. It is initial pressure. It is initial pressure of A2 or any gas taken here. Now P is known to us. Now once P is known to us, P2 required more. P2 required more from where we get P2 expression. देखिए एक चीज और दिया आपको है. For A2C, sorry, for A6 gas, what is passing pressure? P1 by 3. तो कितना दिया P of A6? 2.2. What is P1 from here? 0.2 into 3, 0.6. Now P1 is known to us 0.6. P is coming 0.7. Then what is the value coming of P? So we can take 2P minus P1 minus P2 is equal to P of A2 0.5. तो कितना हुआ इसमें सॉल्व करने पे? P1 हम निकाल चुके हैं 0.6. 2 into P दिया है 0.7 minus P1. What is P1? 0.6 minus P2 is equal to 0.5. From here P2 is how much coming? ये कितना हो गया? 1.4 minus 0.6, 0.8 रह गया. 0.8 तो P2 कितना पड़ेगा? 0.3 एटमॉस्फेयर. What is P2? P2 is for gas A to C partial pressure. For A to C we have partial pressure P2 0.3 atmosphere. One answer. तो P of A to C हम निकाल चुके हैं. What is gas P for C? What is partial pressure? P minus P2. So what is P? 0.7. What is P2? 0.3. तो 0.7 minus 0.3, 0.4 atmosphere. Don't get confused. थोड़ा सा बड़ा है, स्पेस कम है क्वेश्चन बोर्ड पे. I'm writing all the bit here. तो 0.7 आपका था P का वैल्यू हम निकाल चुके हैं. P2 कितना दिया क्वेश्चन में? 0.3 एटमॉस्फेयर. तो दैट गिव द P of gas C 0.4 एटमॉस्फेयर. ये हमारे पहले पार्ट के सारे बिट हो गए. P of gas A2, P of gas C 0.4 एटमॉस्फेयर, P of A2C 0.3 एटमॉस्फेयर are the answers up to here. Fine. Now second part of question is required more for the reaction. Find Kp for the second reaction. Now coming on second part. तो in second part Kp कितना है second reaction के लिए? P of A2C divided by P of A2 into P of C. What is P of A2C? 0.3. P of A2 0.5. ये है 0.4. P of C. So on putting the values कितना आएगा? 0.3 divided by 0.2, 1.5. ATM inverse. So second part आंसर कितना आएगा? Kp of the second reaction is 1.5 atmosphere inverse. I hope it is clear. थोड़ा सा बड़ा लग सकता है क्वेश्चन. बहुत इजी है. आपको दिया है 2:1 मोल रेशियो, उसको आप यूज कर लीजिए पहले, ठीक है ना. फिर आप क्वेश्चन करेंगे तो और थोड़ा सा इजी आपको लगेगा करना है यहाँ पर. एक्चुअली वी हैव रिटन डायरेक्टली सम एक्सप्रेशंस जो एज पर द क्वेश्चन को दिया था इंफॉर्मेशन क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग. तो क्वेश्चन के इंफॉर्मेशन के अकॉर्डिंग हमने सॉल्व किया था पहला पार्ट, एंड देन एक्सप्रेशन वाइज हमने सॉल्व किए रिमेनिंग वैल्यूज. आफ्टर कैलकुलेशन ऑफ रिमेनिंग वैल्यूज हमने निकाला Kp for the second reaction. I hope it is clear. Hopefully you are enjoying the questions. Okay, write next question. Next question is two solids X and Y. Two solids X and Y dissociate into gaseous products as follows. Means at a given temperature, it is given X solid decomposed to form gas A plus gas C, and Y solid also decomposed to form gas B and gas C. आपको दो इंफॉर्मेशन दिया है, फुल स्टॉप. एट ए गिवन टेम्परेचर, आगे लिखिए, लिखा ना, एक्स सॉलिड में ए गैस प्लस सी गैस, वाई सॉलिड में बी गैस प्लस सी गैस. लिख लिया पूरा. अब आगे लिखिए क्वेश्चन का पार्ट, रिमेनिंग पार्ट. एट ए गिवन टेम्परेचर pressure over excess solid A, solid X is 40 millimeter, and that over Y is 60 millimeter. Calculate. Part 1 आगे क्वेश्चन है. The value of Kp for two reactions. Find Kp for two reactions. Second bit, the ratio of moles of A and B. The ratio of moles of A and B in the vapor state. Ratio of moles of A and B in vapor state over the mixture of X and Y. Third bit, the total pressure of gases over a mixture of X and Y. Total pressure of gases over a mixture of X and Y. आपका सेकंड था रेशियो ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ A and B. So that the question summary, and read the question carefully, and then again it is question of simultaneous equilibria, common component in two expressions. Okay, so try this question yourself first. Now to solve this question, we can take let's say separate cases. Pressure over gas, a solid A is how much? P1 and P1, equal pressure, equal moles. Given total pressure is how much? 40 millimeter. That means it is how much? 2P1. From your P1 is how much? 20 millimeter. In separate cases, it is suppose P2 pressure. Given total pressure is how much? 2P2 is equal to 60 millimeter. That means P2 will be how much? 30 millimeter. From first information, we can find the Kp values. What is Kp for first reaction? P1 square is P1 into P1. That's how much? 20 into 20. 400 millimeter square. Similarly, Kp2 will be how much for the reaction? P2 square. What is P2? 30 into 30, now 900 millimeter square. One part is over. When we take separate solids X and Y, over the pressure is only for the A or C or B or C. Only for A and C or B and C. दोनों के मोल्स सेम है, दोनों के मोल्स इक्वल है, तो क्या हुआ? Both will also have equal partial प्रेशर P1 ईच, यहाँ पर भी होगा, दोनों को क्या होगा सेम पार्शियल प्रेशर। वंस इट इज नोन टू अस देन आते हैं सेकंड पार्ट पे। अब दिया है मिक्सचर ऑफ एक्स एंड वाई, व्हेन इट इज सॉलिड मिक्सचर ऑफ एक्स एंड वाई देन कॉमन गैस इज कमिंग फ्रॉम बोथ इक्वेशंस। ठीक है, आपका ये फर्स्ट पार्ट हमारा हो गया। इन सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज पार्शियल प्रेशर मींस ओवर मिक्सचर of x and y, we can take partial pressure of A will be how much? If I add, it's a P1 dash, PB कितना आपका आएगा P2 dash and PC कितना आपका आएगा P1 dash plus P2 dash. Now pressure will not remain same because both gas will be coming in mixture. तो प्रेशर सपोज आई एम राइटिंग P1 dash P2 dash and it is mixture P1 dash plus P2 dash, but Kp will remain same. Kp will remain same. तो Kp कितना है Kp1 by Kp2 कितना रहेगा Kp1 आपको दिया है partial pressure of A into C by PR partial pressure of A into C, sorry, B into C. PC cancel out. That is the ratio of partial pressure of A and B only. Will be same as ratio of moles also of A and B. Kp1 दिया है 400, Kp2 दिया आपको 900. Ratio will be how much? 4:9. Ratio of gases partial pressure, ratio of the gases partial pressure will be same as ratio of their number of moles. So it is second part answer as well. It is the answer of second part as well. कितना हुआ ये P1 कितना पता P1 dash और ये कितना पता जाएगा P2 dash. P का वैल्यू P2 dash है। ये हमारे क्वेश्चन में दो पार्ट हो गए। अब पूछा है टोटल प्रेशर ऑफ द गैस मिक्सचर कितना आएगा। नाउ फॉर सॉल्विंग थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज टोटल प्रेशर ऑफ द मिक्सचर एडिंग ऑल P1 dash प्लस P2 dash प्लस ये आएगा मिक्सचर का P1 dash प्लस P2 dash। इट इज फॉर C गैस, तो इट कैन bring twice of P1 dash plus P2 dash। देखिए आपको रेशियो पता है P1 dash और P2 dash का, तो कैन फाइंड द वन वैल्यू। आपको देना रेशियो ऑफ P1 dash और P2 dash is given to you, तो you can find put the value here for total pressure, तो you can put one expression and then from the given expressions what is Kp1 PA into PB, that is P1 into P1 P1 dash into P1 plus P2 dash. So Kp expression और Kp value will be same. Kp values are same. हमारा ये टारगेट है, क्या निकालना है टोटल प्रेशर ऑफ द गैस मिक्सचर। तो इक्वेशन आपको पता है Kp वैल्यूज आपका सेम रहेंगे, ठीक है ना। P1 dash P2 dash का वैल्यू आपको रेशियो मिल चुका है। ऑन सॉल्विंग दिस पार्ट यू कैन गेट योर आंसर। अभी आपके लिए छोड़ रहा हूँ क्वेश्चन कि इक्वेशन को यूज करके आपको आंसर निकालना है इस क्वेश्चन के लिए। इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर आपको आना चाहिए सॉल्व करने पर 72.15 एटमॉस्फेयर। आंसर फॉर थर्ड पार्ट शुड बी कमिंग 72.15 मिलीमीटर नॉट एटमॉस्फेयर। फॉर थर्ड बिट आपको मैंने हिंट कर दिया है, ये हमारा टारगेट है। दोनों में केपी आपको दिया है क्वेश्चन में, दोनों में केपी दिया है क्वेश्चन में। यूजिंग दोस केपी वैल्यूज which are remaining constant, you can find the value of total pressure of the gas mixture at equilibrium. I hope it is clear. Okay, write next question. देखिए, for the chemical reaction, for the chemical equilibrium, for the chemical equilibrium आपको reaction दिया है CaCO3 solid give calcium oxide solid plus CO2 gas. Heat of reaction delta R H naught. The standard heat of reaction can be determined from which of the following graph? From which of the following graph? आपको ग्राफ दिया क्वेश्चन में, आपको उसमें ग्राफ दिए हुए हैं log base E P CO2 for CO2 gas partial pressure, log E P CO2 यहाँ पे 1 by temperature log T 1 by temperature. T is temperature. So in this case, what is asking here in the question? Which graph can help to find the heat of reaction? Which graph can help to find the heat of reaction? In the given 4 graphs, can you tell the answer? Okay, see the graph carefully, then find the answer yourself. To solve this question, let's come on solution part. To solve this question, we can use modification of Arrhenius equation. क्या था हमारे पास Arrhenius equation का modification? That first we take for reaction. For the reaction, what is Kp is same as P of CO2 gas. Kp is same as P of CO2 gas. Because solids है बाकी सारा. That means if we take from Arrhenius equation modification है हमारे पास for the reaction, what is K equilibrium A into e power minus delta H naught by RT minus delta H naught by RT. A was the ratio of AF by AB. We have shown derivation to you in theory part. So in this equation, if you write log K equilibrium is log A minus, if I write log base 10, so minus delta H naught by 2.303 RT. Now for the reaction, what is Kp is same as P of CO2. We can replace here. So log P CO2 will be how much? Log A minus delta H naught by 2.303 R 1 by T 1 by T. So this expression can take for the straight line plot. This equation can write for the straight line plot. This can be taken as equal to y c mx. From equation of a straight line, y is equal to c plus mx. M is slope. Slope is how much? Minus h naught delta h naught by 2.303 r. This slope can help to find the delta h naught calculation. And as per the reaction, slope is negative. Log PCO2 versus 1 part temperature, slope is negative, so your answer will be A. Writing the equation for straight line, Kp is same as PCO2 log A minus H delta H naught by 2.303 R 1 by T. So graph taken log PCO2 versus 1 by temperature, straight line, slope negative. So graph A will fit in the given expression of Kp. Okay.